Good morning. Don't move for a moment. Just listen. Imagine this. You wake up, the room is quiet. Your mind is calm.
And your alarm is very loud. Beep, beep, beep.
Yes, that too. But before your phone, before messages, before the world starts talking to you, you speak.
You speak English?
Yes, just one sentence. Today, I will speak English.
That feels powerful.
It is, because in that moment, you are not learning. You are speaking.
And that changes everything.
Stay with us, because today we will build a simple routine that can change your confidence, step by step.
No pressure.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with us. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Adam, your morning English partner.
Today is not about studying. Today is about habit, real-life practice.
Something you can do every day without stress.
Many learners say, I don't have time, or I will practice later.
But later is difficult. At night, you are tired. Your brain is slow. Your energy is low.
And speaking feels heavy, hard.
But morning is different. Your brain is fresh, quiet, open. No problems yet.
Yes, not yet. Step 1. Wake up and speak immediately. Don't think too much.
Even if your voice is sleepy. Good morning.
Yes, like that. Sit for a moment, take a breath, and say, Good morning, again.
Good. Now say, today is a good day. Sometimes I say this, and then I sleep again.
That is not practice. Step 2. Mirror talk. Look at yourself.
The first time I tried, I said, hello, and stopped. It felt strange.
Yes, everyone feels that. Say, Hello, my name is... Today I feel...
Slowly, look at your face. This builds confidence.
Step 3. Keep sentences short. Simple English is powerful.
Example, I eat breakfast. Good. But if you say, I am currently consuming nutritional food, now you are confused.
Yes, very confused. Step 4. Listen and repeat immediately. I am ready. Repeat.
Again, if you follow this for 7 days, you will feel more confident. Not perfect, but stronger.
Step 5. Speak for 1 minute. Don't stop. Talk about your morning. I wake up. I drink tea.
Talk about food.
Think about your mornings. Do you rush? Do you check your phone?
Yes, most people do.
Imagine tomorrow. You wake up. You sit quietly. You speak English.
You feel calm,
Then later, someone speaks English.
and you are ready, not scared.
Repeat with us. I will speak English every day. Again.
I am confident. Again.
I am improving. Think in English. Small thoughts. I am walking. I feel good. Say, I can do this.
Your brain listens.
One day, you will wake up, and speaking English feels normal.
Not scary, not difficult.
Remember the first moment? That quiet morning? That is your power. You don't need perfect English. You need daily English.
Small steps, every morning.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep going.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye.